Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build entire businesses practically overnight, with leads flowing in and sales closing like clockwork, while others struggle for months just to get their first customer? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a complete adult marketing funnel in just 30 minutes using AI, not just any funnel, but one that's smart, sharp, and set up to scale. This isn't a get-rich-quick trick, but it is a fast-track strategy, and by the end of this video, whether you're a total beginner or already deep in the game, you'll have insights most marketers won't even know exist for another year or two. Think of this as building a robot salesperson who never sleeps, always knows what to say, and works 24 hours a day just for you, and it all starts with a plan I like to call the rapid flow funnel. Now before we start, I need to tell you one thing: AI is not magic. But when you combine it with human strategy, it starts to feel like it. So let's begin with the first phase, and that's clarity. You have to know exactly who you're helping, what they want, what problem keeps them up at night, and what they've already tried that didn't work. Most people get stuck here because they guess. Instead of guessing, we use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to interview the market for us. I'll prompt the AI like this: act like a frustrated business owner in their 40s who's spending way too much on ads and not getting leads. What are you thinking and feeling right now? Then I read the responses, highlight the pain points, and boom, I'm not guessing, I'm listening. That's tip 1, let the AI be your empathy machine. Now we move to step 2, build the lead magnet, and fast. I like to create what I call value bombs, short, one-page PDFs, checklists, or calculators that solve one micro-problem super well. If you're targeting adults, especially professionals, make it specific. How to cut your LinkedIn ad spend in half in 7 days is going to win every time over something like Marketing Tips 101. And here's the twist: I don't write the lead magnet myself. I give the AI a structure, problem, consequence, myth, solution, and then I edit it like a coach giving feedback, not a player in the game. You're not trying to win a writing contest. You're trying to get someone to say, "Wow, this is helpful." Step 3 is the landing page, and this is where most people overthink. You don't need 10 sections and a video and a quiz and fireworks. You need a headline that screams, "I get your pain," a subheadline that whispers, "and I have the cure," a quick list of benefits, a bold call to action, and that's it. Keep it mobile-friendly, fast-loading, and skip the fluff. Use tools like Card, System, or TypeDream if you want to be quick. I like to write the landing page copy in the same tone as the lead magnet because consistency builds trust. Now, here's where we hit step 4, automation. This is where AI becomes your behind-the-scenes wizard. I use tools like Make or Zapier to connect the form to a CRM like Go High Level or ConvertKit, and then I let the AI write my email follow-ups. I prompted, write 5 follow-up emails for someone who downloaded a lead magnet about cutting ad spend, each one giving more value and building trust. Then I go in and polish the tone. One of the emails might include a humorous line like, "If your ad budget is disappearing faster than snacks at a kid's party, we need to talk." Just enough personality to be human, without trying to do stand-up comedy. We want our readers to smile, not roll their eyes. Step 5 is where the real fun begins: AI-driven segmentation. Most marketers treat all leads the same, but smart funnels adapt. So I'll create 2 or 3 versions of the email flow based on one key question in the opt-in form. Something like, "What's your biggest challenge right now?" Based on that, I tag and sort users, then send them targeted advice. AI can help you rewrite emails for each path, so it feels personal without taking personal time. Step 6 is the offer bridge. This is the moment where you introduce your service, program, or consulting in a way that feels like the natural next step. I do this by using what I call the gap method: show the viewer where they are now, where they want to go, and the gap in between. Then position your offer as the bridge. And this part's important: your offer should feel like the only logical next move, not a surprise twist. If someone read your emails and feels like, "Of course I need this," you nailed it. Use testimonials and proof points here, but only if they speak to the same fears and dreams the lead magnet solved. Step 7 is the follow-up loop. After the main funnel runs, most people stop. That's like baking a cake and never frosting it. I create a content loop using AI-generated weekly emails, social posts, and short video scripts that keep delivering value and reminding people that I'm still here to help. One of my favorite tricks? I'll ask ChatGPT to write a story about someone who solved the problem using marketing AI tools, and include a moment of doubt that turns into an aha. Stories stick. People love transformation. Step 8 is testing. AI helps with split tests by generating alternative headlines, subheads, and CTAs based on what you already wrote. I use these variations in A/B tests and see what wins. Sometimes a single word, like free versus instant, makes a huge difference. Here's a funny moment. One time I tested Get It Now versus Let's Go, and Let's Go won by 37%. I guess people really like imaginary sprinting. Step 9 is scale. Now that the funnel works, I clone it for different segments, tweak the pain points, and adjust the lead magnets. Instead of building something new each time, I optimize and multiply. AI helps you do this fast. You're not creating from scratch, you're remixing. I call this the playlist approach. Think of your funnel like a song. You can remix it, slow it down, or add new verses, but the rhythm is already there. Step 10 is what I call the insight loop. Most marketers forget to look at what people are really doing. Use AI to summarize feedback, review email replies, analyze form responses, and highlight trends. You might learn that people don't understand your offer or that they love one phrase more than another. Feed those insights back into the top of the funnel. Think of your funnel like a garden. AI is the sprinkler, the sunlight, even the compost. But you're the gardener. You decide what to grow. And that, my friend, is how you build a marketing funnel in 30 minutes with AI. Now, will you get it perfect the first time? Probably not. But will you get it launched, live, and learning in under an hour? Absolutely. I've done it dozens of times, and each time gets better. If you follow these 10 steps, use AI as your thinking partner, not just your writing tool, and keep your focus on real people with real problems, you'll not only build a funnel, you'll build momentum. And when you combine speed with insight, you get results that feel like magic, but are really just math. So if this helped you, give that like button a friendly high five, share it with someone who's stuck trying to build their funnel, or binge another video right now to go even deeper. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I share new strategies like this that you can actually use, not just admire. And if you're ready to go pro, book a strategy call, join our school community, or check out our funnel fast track consulting. I'd love to help you build something that works while you sleep, and if you snore loud like me, well, at least your funnel will be whispering sweet conversions. See you in the next video.